Today we are going to take an interview of Mr. Kajra, who is the estate officer of our school and currently in charge of saving energy. Okay sir, the first question to you is, what are your views regarding saving energy? Why in today's world it has become a necessity?
See, today electricity as well as water, they have become a part of a very necessity of our daily life, and we have to ensure that they are utilized properly. As far as every drop of water is costly, and over a period, long run, we will be losing, then we will be suffering. As long as we save now, we will be in the longer run better off. So it has become a very, very essential part of our life.
What are the current policies in our school for saving energy, sir?
See, we are trying our best to ensure that solar panels, we have already introduced solar panel system in our school. We have got 68 solar panels at present. Then we are thinking of ERO system for water, cut-off panels for water to save water. These are the few things. Then we are thinking of having system of timers so that automatically lights get cut off. Although this is one of the proposals which we are thinking.
Sir, next question is, how much money our school spends on energy annually? Energy includes both water and electricity consumption.
See, our school is almost spending 29 lakhs of electricity on electricity itself, as well as about 2.5 lakhs on water. Now, these two, although is what we can say on the higher side.
Sir, isn't the amount a lot?
That's what I am saying is on the higher side. Our aim is to cut it down, and by introducing timers, solar panels, cut-off panels for water and all those things, we are thinking of at least bringing down by 10 to 12%.
Sir, how much amount annually do we save from solar panels? Are they worth it?
See, as on date, we are supplying all our solar panel energy to the BSES, which they have promised us that within 1 year they will try to accumulation of all that will be starting giving us 10 to 12% refund, but depending on how much energy, solar energy is given to them. We have got all water, electricity meters fitted to them, that how much daily we are recording energy, solar energy is going to them. Meters have been fitted on our panels.
What are the future plans our school is going to take, sir?
See, future plans, as I mentioned to you, net metering, one of the things will be there, save energy, then cut-off panels, then we have got an audited report for on the highest priority, how to save energy, so that wherever the scope of energy being lost is saved. We have already got an audit report. Based on that, we are already started implementing on that line.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir.
अरे अभी तो तुमने हमसे वो तो पूछे नहीं. What we have been introducing other than things. Like we have been over and above. I just tell you, we are planning, or we already started planning LED lights in the classrooms, which are going to practically save more than 20% electricity for us. Because consumption of LED lights tubes is 20%. 20 watts is the generation, whereas earlier we were using 40 watts. Then we have got harnessing of this solar electricity. Then water pumps, etc. we have fitted so that water is reduced by cut-off systems. Then energy efficiency system we are getting lights, security lights, so that security lights when they are switched on, because they are high consuming. With that LED security lights, the consumption is reduced automatically. This we have already started. Then over and above, we have got our generator systems where we have got battery fitted alternators. So that side also we are saving. We don't have to run generators every day. For running your generators, that is reduced. After that, then we have got an additional system is waterless urinals. We are introducing that. We already started it. then taps with push buttons, so that water leakage is reduced, and when they are by mistake left open, automatically they switch off.
So, what measures are students expected to implement for saving energy?
See, basic aim is save electricity, switch off systems when not in use. Similarly, ensure that water is not wasted. Although we have been trying our best to give you in a way, we have introduced a main panel switch. When students are not available, we switch off the main instead of each room. We have got a panel from where we can, in the all corridors, from where we switch off the complete corridor lights. Similarly, we have water side panels. When the water is, tanks are full, it automatically the cutoff is there.
So what about the teachers?
Teachers, they are the mentors. They can only guide the students that what to do for their best. Basically, students are the users, and teachers only, as a good teacher advice, should be followed, because they will be giving you in your favor only.
Sir, any concluding statements you would like to make, or any advice for the youngsters you have?
See, basically awareness among young students to save electricity, water, as this has become essential part of our life. As long as, because this is a rare commodity over a long run, our aim is to ensure that we continuously keep getting electricity and water. Anything else you like to ask, Bete?
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you very much.
So this was an interview with Mr. Kalra, who shared his opinions regarding what steps school is currently taking and what it is going to take in future. So till the next time, goodbye.
Thank you.